Hey guys, here today uh, uh, I have a fireworks stash to show you. I'll be doing it this 4th of July. I also have another video coming. It's called Fireworks with Andrew 2013. When you look it up, it should, if it doesn't come up, I don't know, you'll have to look a while, but it should be, it has a blue background, and there's in white letters it says Fireworks with Andrew 2013. First we have, I'm just gonna kind of go to the littlest stuff to the biggest stuff, and yeah. And here, got some worms and some crackling balls. Well, this isn't really biggest, whatever. But I got 50 bunker bomb, a 50 pack of bunker bombs, a 100 pack, 500 pack. I got some singles. And this is that's a 200 pack. So I'm thinking of using all these together. Should be pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's okay. Okay, sorry. Yeah, I'm just doing these in random orders, so some artilleries. May take a while. I got, this is a premium artillery shell. The artillery at the end down there, not the yellow one, but the blue one, right by that basket. I'm hoping they're pretty good. I just got this one today. There's white, there's red, there's green, there's yellow, there's blue, and there's like multiple colors. Yeah. And I got some mini mortars. One Magnum. Next, I have some little missiles, and at the bottom, I have some Dixie Dynamite 150s and 150s. Next, I have some 10 tanks. I did 2 of them already, so. I got a 12-shot artillery shell. No, this isn't 12. That's not an artillery shell. There's 3 happiness fountains. I just put some stuff on that. And a silver anniversary. I got stars and glitters fountain. Gold glitters fountain, green glitters fountain. And I got a color pearl flowers. I got 3 golden diamonds, one's red, and 2 are blue. 2 parachutes, colorful parachutes. Boomstick has 40 firecrackers in it. The Call of the Wolf, the Call of the Wild, I keep calling that wolf for some reason. Keeps falling over. That's the artillery shell. There's a one Magnum and a 12-shot. Some battery Saturn missiles. Festival ball, that was the one in the packages still. And premium artillery shell. and next to the bottle rockets. Okay, I got one of these. It's by World Class Fireworks. It goes up in the air, and it's supposed to be a smiley face. So I'm pretty excited about that. I got Texas Pop Rocket. I got color butterfly and emerald meteors, whatever. So I got some little thunder rockets, some crackling Roman candles. I got some regular Roman candles, 5-shot. What else? I got some missile thingies. What else? I got some Naruto bomb bottle rockets and some Black Cat bottle rockets. Yeah. I think that's about it. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching.